my name is Lindsay, and so today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make DIY pH indicators that you will do at home. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. So first, you're going to be needing a red cabbage cutting board, knife, paper, blender, and a strainer, which I forgot to put in the video. So first, we're going to start off by peeling off the red cabbage leaves. And then we'll proceed into cutting the leaves into small pieces and just chop them up. You'll only need 2 handfuls of the chopped cabbage, and then we'll put in some water. You don't need much water, just enough to ensure that you can blend the cabbage and the water together to create cabbage juice. This is how it should look like after blending. So with a strainer or a filter, we're going to be filtering out the cabbage juice, and we're only going to need the filtrate, and we can just throw away the residue. You can use a spoon to ensure that as much water is drained out as possible. And this is how it should look like after filtering. Next, you can cut out paper into small strips, and then we'll dip it inside the cabbage juice. After that, we'll leave it to dry for about maybe 1 to 2 hours, and then we can proceed to the experiment. An alternative that you could use if you don't want to use paper strips is just basically mixing the cabbage juice with substances lying in the house. So here I have apple cider vinegar and baking soda, and we're going to see what color the cabbage juice turns into under acidic and alkaline conditions. So first, I'm going to start off by mixing the cabbage juice with the apple cider vinegar, and it turned red. Therefore, we could conclude that it will turn red under acidic conditions. Now onto the baking soda, and as you can see, it turned blue. So we can conclude that it will turn blue under alkaline conditions. After letting your paper strips dry, that's how it should look like. So here I'm pouring in some alkaline soda water and milk inside a bowl for experiment later. But first, I'll be pouring in some vinegar onto the litmus paper, and as you can see, it turned red. And I also mixed baking soda with water and dipped the litmus paper in. And the result was blue, meaning that the litmus paper was a success. So I dipped the paper into milk, and the results weren't clear. And the same goes to the alkaline soda water, so I tried leaving the litmus paper out for a while. This is the result after leaving the litmus paper out for a while. And overall, I believe that using the liquid indicator was a lot more efficient and produced better results than using the litmus paper. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it will be beneficial for you.